Now exercise 8.3, question number 11. Simplify 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. Now we have to simplify it. We know 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. As we know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So instead of 1 plus tan square theta, we can write sec square theta. Now a minus b, a plus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. So this can be written as 1 square minus sin theta whole square. So this is equal to sec square theta 1 minus sin square theta. So this is equal to sec square theta into cos square theta, because 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So sec square theta can be written as 1 over cos square theta into cos square theta. This and this is cancelled, so answer is 1. Now the 12th sum. 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is 2. You have to find the value of theta. 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2. Write sin square theta, write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Minus cos square theta is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 3 cos square theta is equal to 0. So cos square theta is equal to 0. It means cos theta is equal to 0. And theta is equal to, when cos theta is 0, when theta is 90 degree. So value of theta is 90 degree. Now this is question number 13th of exercise 8.3 of exemplar. Now show that cos square 45 degree plus theta plus cos square 45 degree minus theta upon tan 60 degree plus theta tan 30 degree minus theta is equal to 1. So its left hand side is, now you see 45 degree plus theta plus 45 degree minus theta. If you add these two angles, it will come out to be 90. So change one of them. Either change this or change this. I'm going to change this 45 degree plus theta. Now this thing can be written as cos square 90 minus 45 degree minus theta. If I subtract 45 degree minus theta from 90, what you will get? You will get 45 degree plus theta. So instead of this, I am going to write this plus cos square 45 degree minus theta upon, now I'm going to change this 60 degree plus theta. Now this thing can be written as 90 minus 30 degree minus theta, tan 30 degree minus theta, sin square 45 degree minus theta plus cos square 45 degree minus theta upon cot 30 degree minus theta tan 30 degree minus theta. Now this is 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and cot 30 degree minus theta can be written as tan 30 degree minus theta into tan 30 degree minus theta. So this and this is cancelled. I have 1 upon 1, that is equal to 1. Now the 14th question is, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 20.5 meters away from a tower 22 meters high. Determine the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the eye of the observer. Now the figure is, now let DC be an observer, and the height of the observer is 1.5 meter, and he is 20.5 meter away from a tower. So let AB be a tower. which is 22 meter high. And this observer is 20.5 meter away from this tower. So this distance is DE is again 20.5 meter. If BC is 20.5 meter, then this DE is also 20.5 meter. And if DC is 1.5 meter, then EB is 1.5 meter. So length of AE is equal to 22 minus 1.5, that is equal to 20.5. I'm going to write it here. So height of observer is equal to 1.5 meter. So it implies DC is equal to BE is equal to 1.5 meter. Height of tower is 22 meter. So AB is equal to 22 meter. Then AE is equal to AB minus BE. Now AB here is 22 meter minus BE here is 1.5 meter. And this is equal to 20.5 meter. Now BC is equal to DE is equal to 20.5 meter. Now let theta be the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the eye of the observer. So in triangle AED, which is a right angle triangle, AE upon DE. AE is perpendicular and DE is equal to base. This is equal to tangent theta. Now perpendicular here is 20.5 and base here is 20.5. That is equal to tangent theta. It means 1 is equal to tangent theta. So tangent theta is equal to 1, which is equal to tangent 45 degree. It means theta is equal to 45 degree. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the eye of the observer is 45 degree. So that tan 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec 4 theta minus sec square theta. Now the left hand side is tan 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now take tan square theta common. You will have tan square theta plus 1 in the bracket. Now here I have tan square theta plus 1. On the right hand side there is sec theta, and on the left hand side I have tan theta. So change this tan theta in terms of sec theta. So how you will change it? Tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1, and tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Now multiply it. It is sec 4 theta minus sec square theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side.